The following verse of the Holy Quran explains the importance of offering help according to one's means and strength. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 28.
And if you must turn away from them, i.e., the needy awaiting mercy from your Lord which you expect, then speak to them a gentle word.
A Muslim should never believe that one must help others, such as giving charity, in big ways for it to be counted as something significant by Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should remember that every atom's worth of good is recorded, and will be rewarded. This is confirmed in chapter 99 Az-Zalala, verse 7.
So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it.
In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has emphasized helping others in any way, small or big, in countless narrations. For example, he advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1956, that even smiling to make another feel comfortable is recorded as an act of charity. Another narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342, advises that the reward obtained by donating a single date fruit in charity will be equivalent to a mountain. It is important to note that Islam emphasizes all forms of charity, including emotional, physical, and financial aid. Therefore, Muslims should always help others according to their capacity. No one can claim they do not have the ability to give some sort of charity, as all things, big or small, are accepted by Allah, the Exalted.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.